Hey guys, today I'm here to show you guys something so beautiful that I bought. I bought this a few months ago actually. I was debating whether I wanted to just put it on my blog or actually just do a video. At first I was going to do video and then I was like, oh no, let me put it on the blog, and then I was like, no, the video is just so much easier. So it is a blanket, a beautiful, beautiful blanket from 8th Generation. Where did I find? I think I saw a blanket, a different blanket than I bought, and I bookmarked it, and then I think I signed up for the newsletter or something, and then I got an email about it. I think, did I buy this on sale? I might have bought this on sale, I think. And then that's what prompted me. I was like, oh, sale, let me get one now. And I was scrolling and I was like, oh wait, yeah, there's the one that I originally wanted, and it was out of stock. And so I was looking and I came across this, when I was first scrolling, it caught my attention, but I was scrolling down and continued to look. But I went back to it and I was just like, something about it. So, I clicked and I read, and I was like, I can't not buy this blanket. So 8th Generation, native owned and operated in Washington. And it's just in here beautifully. So this is their slogan: inspired natives, not native inspired. And I'll give you a little about the artist blurb. Or let's do about 8th Generation first. 8th Generation is a Seattle-based lifestyle brand owned by the, pardon me if I pronounce the tribe name, Snoqualmie tribe, I think. We provide a strong ethical alternative to native-inspired art and products through our artistic-centric approach and 100% native design products. Our Inspired Native project, anchored by the tagline "Inspired Natives, not Native-Inspired," builds business capacity among cultural artists while addressing the economic impact of cultural appropriation. Thanks for supporting Inspired Natives, not Native-Inspired. Okay, and about the artist. John Isaiah Pepion is a Plains Indian graphic artist from the Piikani Band of the Blackfoot Confederacy. He is based out of the Blackfeet Reservation in north-central Montana, where the Rocky Mountains meet the plains. John is best known for his ledger art, an art tradition that developed in Plains tribes as the buffalo hide they traditionally used for painting became scarce, and they were forced to adapt to making artwork on the ledger paper from accounting books. John comes from a family of artists, and ledger art has been in his family for hundreds of years. This is him. And it was actually, I was really excited when I was reading his bio and about the blanket, because on my mother's side, if you guys looked at the video posted, my ancestry DNA, I talked about it. On my mother's side, I'm Blackfoot, by my mother's father's side. And I've been really wanting to, as a Black person, I've been wanting to, do more, searching into roots and things like that. And before anybody says oh, what about your Black side? Don't worry, I'm planning to go to Africa. I want to go all around Africa, all at once, because it's expensive to fly there. Traveling around, I heard, is decent, but I just go fly in, go all around, hopefully film it, but we'll see. It takes a lot of planning, but I also want to do that Native American wise, and because I specifically do know that I have Blackfoot, I don't want to just go and stare at people around reservations, because some of them pretty much you just walk around and then go to the gift shop. But I actually want to learn things that are very culturally relevant to the tribes. And one thing in particular, horses are very prevalent in Blackfoot culture, as I was reading on their site, and I have a love of horses through my grandparents, and that's my favorite animal. At some point I'm gonna get a horse portrait on my thigh. It's gonna be really painful, really expensive. I don't know when I'm gonna get it done, but at some point, that's what I'm gonna get. And so I think I've already given away that, you know, what the motive of this blanket is, but I was like really excited when I did read that blurb and I found it, because I felt kind of like the universe is pulling me towards, you know, family and culture and all of these things. So it's like, oh, like I'm going the right way. Like, so yeah. So let me pull out the blanket. And so it's a double-sided blanket. Artist, I love that. Right here, the lightning wool blanket. Let me move this back so you can really see. Oh, that's so, what does that say? That says something. So, this is the one side. And then the other, just, you know, a little changing of the color. But isn't that, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's see, and a little up close for you. A beautiful horse design. Just look so thick and just nice. Okay. Oh, let's see. So here we go. It's a tag. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Was that a taro wool? Maybe? Anyway, it's beautiful. Another little patch for 8th generation. I was like, at first I was like, because sometimes like wool can be like a little itchy. There's one wool blanket at my parents' house that like it's this beautiful red color, but it is itchy, and I was like, oh. But like this is just so beautiful. It's definitely what I'll most likely put on top. But even that, like, it doesn't feel itchy though. Oh, it's so perfect. I'm so happy. Okay, yeah, that was it. Just wanted to show you my blanket. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video next Tuesday around 5-ish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and check out, I'll leave the links to my blog down below. You can follow me on IG. I think do I post more on IG? Yes, I do. Anyway, just see you around the internets. Bye.